Hi there, welcome back. I figured out my new microphone. At first I thought, oh no, this one's not working as well. And it's working. So I'm happy. I've learned that I like to clip, although it's a lavalier, so you can clip it to your lapel. I've learned that I prefer to clip it to my phone, the thingamajiggy that hangs the phone over the desk. And I wanted to make sure that distance was still going to be compatible, and that my voice would be clear and that I didn't have to yell. And I think we have success. So we still have some experiments to do on experiment number 2, because I did a full seal with Mod Podge before I did my coffee stains. And I know I can do it with, we all know now that I can do it with alcohol ink. But I'm interested to see if I can, if I could use a permanent marker through the stencil. So we're going to do some experiments today and see what it would look like. I have a feeling not necessarily good. I guess I should be trying this. Yeah, no, I can already tell. It's going to be too much work. No, we're better off. We're better off with the alcohol ink, and I think we decided we liked caramel, whatever you call it. We sort of use both, because for the flavoring, at least in my family, for that flavor, we called it caramel flavor. But an actual candy that's chewy, like a toffee, we called those caramels. You know, like a Kraft caramel. So let me find it. It's over here somewhere. Oh, dang that. That definitely says caramel. It's too close, but it says caramel in French and English. So there we go. So, now where is my shot glass? I think I need to let my husband know I'm recording, because he's, mind you, I shouldn't stop him. He's having a wonderful time playing with our little dog downstairs, and my goodness, it's nice to have her back to her old self. I'm going to pause and find my shot glass. Okay, I can't find my shot glass. Mind you, I guess maybe I better rewatch my video, because that's bigger. That must have been the open end of the shot glass that I used. And this is smaller. And this doesn't seem realistic. I wonder if I could use my jelly bean jar. This has become my jelly bean jar. Who doesn't need a jelly bean once in a while? That would work. Now we know that regular alcohol will clean up alcohol ink. So that would work. Shall we hold our breath and just do it? Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's do it. Just do it. pause and get everything ready. Okay, I'm ready, and although I am wearing my marigold overalls today, I do not want, they're not ginger, they are marigold, but I have put on an apron today because I want them to remain marigold without caramel ink on them. Now, I do not need this because see, now I'm rethinking, because if I use this and then reseal it with a spray sealant, it should no, I'm using ink. No. Catherine, just do what you know. Come on. So I got my Pringles lid ready to go. I've got my crummy old paintbrush that I always use for alcohol inks, and I never clean it afterwards. So I guess when it gets crummy enough, I will replace it. So I'm going to go around someone's back, and then we're going to try it here. And I'm going to give it a bit of a wiggle. And let's hope. Nope. Nope. It's made some mess. Does it need some alcohol? I guess I should have made notes. Oh well. Hence its title. That's better. Now I'm happy. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Okay, so happy with that. I really, really want a blop. And I think I'm going to have to get my fingers mucky. Nope. All I did was get my fingers mucky. This is the stage of alcohol inking, where by the end of the day you look like you've smoked 3 packs of cigarettes. Oh, I did do this. Okay. I wonder if I just need to do it. Where do I want one? Come high enough up so you get a good splash. Oh, I covered up the bee. Oh, my goodness, Catherine. Catherine. Let's soak some of that up. There we go. Okay, you can see the bee again. Oh, not bad, not bad. All right, I'm okay. The bee is visible. Hold on, I'll hold it up. I didn't blow it. B for blow it. The bee is visible. All right, sorry, but I want to be high. Watch me cover 5th now by accident. There. Okay, that's enough. I want to just sop up some of it. Otherwise, you won't see the... All right, I'm happy. Now I just need ever so tiny, a little smidge on this side, just to match up a little bit. So I'm going to add a bit here, bit of alcohol, and get this well coated. And then where will I put it? I think I'm going to put it here. Oh, wish me luck. This is my beautiful front page that I'm in love with. I can't put it anywhere here or I'll ruin it. No, it's not coming up. There's so many different heights to the papers. Come on, you. That it's not reaching down. That's better. Okay. I think I can do the rest freehand. Just gently. Yes. Okay. Now, I want a blop in here, but I don't want any on my robin. So I'm going to do a little protection. And I'm going to move my camera so you can see. There. All right. Oh, that came out quickly. I wasn't expecting that. You scared me. Alcohol ink is so watery. So just sopping it up a bit so it's not so dark. Love it. Oh, good, a tinier one. Yes. I'll lift up in a second. Maybe a paper towel. Oh, the corner of a paper towel. Yes. Catherine, why didn't you think of that? Corner of a paper towel. Duh. Nice. I want one more. Am I getting greedy? Am I being greedy? I want one more. Right here. Little one. There. And paper towel. There. Stopping. Stopping. Now, if you didn't watch my other one, don't bother cleaning this up. Let it dry. And if you go to your Dollar Tree, the country where you live in sells it like this, I've heard that some countries you cannot purchase rubbing alcohol without a prescription. We can just get it right off the shelf here in Canada, and I suspect you can in the US as well. I can re-wake that up by just, as you saw, and get some more use out of it. It might be slightly diluted in color. As you can tell, I don't mind that. I'm going to lift this up so you can see what I did. Let me do a tiny bit of tidying so I don't lean on something and then you'll hear shrieks of terror and horror and, oh, not goodness. I always just keep it attached to my one bottle so that it stays upright and I know where to find it. Yeah. I want the rest of that paper towel. I'm gonna move this. Bear with me, please. I'm sorry, but soaking wet, and we'll clean this off so I can put my jelly beans back. I should refill it. I'm down to 4 jelly beans. That was my Valentine's treat from my Valentine. And yeah. Let's see if I can get some of that off. And then of course it dries your skin out. All right. Okay, so clean jar. Jelly beans can return to their home. And then we can, so these are a little bit lighter than this side, but, hold on, let me come in closer. So the back blops, live and learn, use paper towel next time. The back blops are a little darker, don't mind that. But I do like the lighter ones. So that was trying to soak up a bit with a Q-tip. This was trying to soak up a bit with the corner of a paper towel. But the book is going to be like this. It'll never be spread out flat once the text walks in, ever again. So that is, that's lovely. And it's ready to be sealed. So we did yet another experiment on experiment number 2. This really is, it really is my little Frankenstein book, and it really is beautiful. Alrighty, you know what? I am going to end here, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to record another video today because it's still early today. Hopefully I'll turn my camera back on and we'll get something else done in here. I do want to put some tabs, fabric ruffles, and paper ruffles into the text block before I begin sewing it to the, sewing them together so that I can get them in. And I've got some really good ideas for my end papers for experiment number 2. So thanks for joining me, and fingers crossed that there might be a part 2 today. Part 2 on experiment 2. Take care. We'll talk soon. Bye.